Guys, big shout out to Greg. We got a killer deal on this mower, Milwaukee mower. This is an all-time low that I've seen. Milwaukee 2823-22. It's the fuel 21-inch self-propelled mower kit. So this is Etsy to price. There is a promo code. It is CHAT5. I believe I will list it on the description section. And I'll leave you guys the link to this in the description section as well. So you guys do click on the add to see price. So add it to the cart. View cart, $7.49, guys. We're talking about Ryobi prices and Eagle prices here. So for a commercial grade self-propelled mower with the two 12 amp hour batteries. You guys know how those 12 amp hour batteries are expensive. Well, here it is, guys. Dual bay charger, 12 amp hour batteries, and the mower for $7.49. That is a killer deal. And this is a factory authorized outlet, so you guys know you guys are getting some good stuff. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this on YouTube. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.